Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix microphone problem not working in Windows 10. So how to fix microphone not working in Windows 10. So what you have to do is just go ahead and click on start icon or Microsoft icon and go to settings, click on settings. So from the settings, just go scroll down a bit. Here you see privacy, click on privacy. Then from this privacy on the side, left side menu, just go scroll down a bit. You see microphone, click on microphone and make sure that this icon, make sure that this button is on, otherwise it won't work. Your application won't access your microphone. So if it's on, make sure that this button is on. If it's off, all this application it goes gray and it goes off, and your apps won't access your microphone. So thank you for watching, and subscribe to get more tips.